What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. More parts for the E46 rocked up today. I actually wasn't expecting it. It's a Saturday, and there was a knock at the door, and we got a new bumper. And of course, it's a M-style bumper. This is an E46. It's a budget build. I want it to look cool. I'm stepping on my tools. So of course we're going to go and buy an eBay bumper. Duh. What are you looking? Come on. What are you thinking? So I've been doing research on how to take the bumper off. A bunch of people are saying it's easy, a bunch of people are saying it's really hard. Some people are pulling out headlights and stuff, and I'm like, huh? Doesn't look like you have to. So from what I can see, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts, and the whole thing will come out. So we're gonna get in, we're gonna do that, and if I hit any troubles, you're gonna see it. So let's jump on in, rip this old rubbish bumper off, and put the new one on. Alright, so from what I know, there is a M8 bolt here and on the other side that holds in, obviously, that way. You've got just a bunch underneath. I think there's 2 here, 2 on the other side. There may be a couple in the middle, but I'm not sure about that. And then you've got these 2 T50 Torx bits right here. These little fins are in the way, but you can just pop them out of the way and get that access that you need. Apparently it's super, super long, so it may hit this. We're gonna find out. So let's take that one off, these off, and then attack these big ones here. Okay, so it was that basic. It was, like I said, bolt here, the little trim ones underneath, there was 2 either side, and then these 2 big bolts into there, which are that big T50s. Not bad at all. So my new bumper doesn't have any of the hardware on the back. It does have different fog light mounts because I'll take you over there. I got these with the air intakes, so I'll mount it up to that. And obviously the horn and everything isn't going to mount because we have to take the Rio bar, so it's just push clips, push them in, remove them, pull them all out, and then on the back of this bumper, it looks like we've got just revisions for screws. So I'm going to make sure I've got a bunch of screws that fit in there and then pop them in. So I'll do that quickly, swap it all over, and then show you guys the end result. Okay, let's take you on a little journey of disassembly. You need to take that piece off, which is just a couple push clips like there, all the way across, clips out. That gives you access to like other little screws and so on, so you need to pop them out. You've got the little push clips on the back here. Literally push them in, pull them out from the front, easy as. And then once you've got all that off, and also you need to pull these clips out, which are those clips, they'll hold it in. Then you just put your screws in here, holding this on, which is all good. Pop your clips in here like the other side. And the issue I am running into, which I'm gonna have to just wear, is the factory fog lights. They don't mount in the back of this thing, because obviously they're meant to sit that way with the flat on top. So I'm gonna have to go and buy some other fog lights, which is all good. This needs to get taken off to be painted and all that sort of thing anyway. So while that's happening, I'll order some fog lights. If I'm doing something wrong, guys, and this does fit on somehow, let me know, because yeah, I can't see how it does. Now, to put it back on is even easier than taking it off. It is going to be the bolt in the wheel well, this one here, which obviously is going to be hard to access, but they've got a little provision there if you've got like a long extension and if you've got the T50 Torx bit, but I've got an Allen key, so I'm just going to get up in here, bolt it in by hand, and then obviously you can bolt your wheel well liner to the bottom there. So let's slide this on in and bolt it up. And there it is, all done. So Holding it on now, same as before, 2 big bolts in the front, clips, like you bolts at the back and underneath. And that's it. It actually fits really well for like a cheap eBay bumper, to be honest. Once this is painted, obviously, it would look way better. And I've just got that fog light issue, so I'm just gonna have to buy some fog lights, chuck them in, and she'll be sweet. So, we get this thing off to get painted. I'm really happy with this. It's a good little purchase. The wide body kit that I'm looking at getting actually has a huge front splitter, and I wasn't gonna run it because I was like, you know, I don't want to get the front too low, don't want to hit the ground, but seeing how much clearance I have in the front, granted the wheels are turned, so that'll come down a little bit. I reckon I'll be able to run the big splitter. That'd be good. So that's it for that one, guys. Super easy install. It's actually, yeah, pretty basic. It's not as much of a headache as I was kind of thinking. The bumper fits up great. It depends on the kind of level that you want of like perfection. Honestly, I'm stoked with that. Like, I've dealt with Japanese fiberglass bumpers, you know, knockoff bumpers, all that sort of stuff. This is plastic, slides in perfectly, has the little clips that you like slide in the side. Yeah, cannot complain. It's great. This is from Mars Performance. So I guess it's not, is it Mars Performance? You know, Mars. Anyone that's got a BMW knows Mars. I guess it's not eBay. I bought it specifically off eBay, but it was through their eBay store. So I guess that's probably why it's such good quality. Yeah, it's great. So if you want to get it, jump on this. I'll try and put a link in the description for you guys. Obviously it's not going to be an Amazon link because maybe it is, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, guys, if you liked it, like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Hopefully this helps you out. Hopefully it's nice, quick, entertaining, not one of those super dragged out like this bolt and then this, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah, okay, cool. All right, guys. See you in the next one. See ya.